It's currently a rainy day here in Kentucky. Michelle is off to work, Rachel's at daycare, and I'm not outside working on something like I would prefer to be. When spring hits, my focus is totally outside, working on new projects. And with that, my focus shifts away from the inside of our house and all of the mess that I am generating in my wake as I just dump stuff, let things get cluttered. And it definitely does weigh on me, that visual clutter, but there's outside. There's stuff to be planted, things to be sowed, weeds to be pulled. But with this rainy day, I'm gonna take an opportunity to set my home right. Now this countertop right here is kind of the first thing you see when you walk into our house. And this corner is the drop zone where things to be dealt with get dropped. And with time, it just slowly expands out this way. And it's a very long countertop, over 12 feet, which is nice, but most of this stuff doesn't need to be here, or even in the house. Michelle puts up with it to a degree, but once things start moving into this area, the food preparation zone as we call it, I get in trouble. So I'm gonna deal with this first. So this side of the kitchen is clean, but there's this side and a lot of dishes that I'm gonna deal with. Now as I'm cleaning, I have to believe that I'm not alone in this. For those who are avid gardeners or outdoors people, once the weather is nice, our interior spaces have some sort of degree of decline, right? I'm not alone. Well, the kitchen looks pretty good now, other than this area, which is all stuff that's gonna go outside. But next I'm gonna be turning my attention to the laundry room, or as I like to call it, the plant room that we just so happen to do laundry in. As I've been moving plants out into the garden, this shelving unit has become kind of a dumping grounds for stuff, as well as the top of the dryer, the washing machine, the deep freeze, in front of the deep freeze, this closet, that's not going to be sorted out today. But yeah, this room has a few issues. And a lot of the stuff in this room are for projects that are on the list, but maybe not all that high on the list. I tend to, when I go to the hardware store to purchase things, that I see that when I get reminded, oh, I mean to do this, or I want to build this, and I'm going to need this piece, so I go ahead and purchase it then. And while I guess it's nice to have this stuff on hand, it presents a lot of problems. One, because now it's just being cluttered because it's not being used where it's ultimately going to go. It was part of my project. But also at the same time, I sometimes lose bits and pieces of things that I'm going to build, and then have to buy it again, and then later find it, which is not great. You know, that's something I could probably keep to myself, a little ashamed of, but nevertheless. Well, I can definitely say that I would much prefer to be out in the garden. Cleaning is not my favorite, but it's important. I like a clean house. I'm not going to take you long for the rest of the stuff that I'm going to be trying to accomplish before my wife gets home. Things like changing out the air filter, hanging up this coat rack that got ripped out of the wall and anchoring it a little bit better, plant care. I just called someone and got in touch with a junk removal service to help remove our old couch. We got a new couch yesterday because the other one busted out and was being held up with 2x4s. And then I have my office / spare bedroom, which, yeah, that needs some work as well. Got some boxes that I need to break down in there. just get my seeds sort of organized. They've kind of gone all over the place, different planting material, cameras, and getting that room tidied up. And then there's the bathroom, the spare bathroom, and I may be able to straighten it up a little bit, but there's one issue where it currently doesn't have a toilet, and I'm not going to be able to fix that today. Hopefully you found this somewhat entertaining, interesting. My chores as I'm waiting for the sun to come back out, and hopefully my wife is surprised that I did so many things in her absence when she comes back in. I think I got 2 hours. 2 hours left to keep at it. Okay. See you guys next video. I'll be outside.
Whoa!